Here is your weekly market recap, brought to you by El Castillo Investments. President Trump has confirmed that his reciprocal tariffs will apply to all countries, not just the top 10 or 15 trading partners as many had expected. This surprise announcement has added to market uncertainty, especially ahead of the 25% auto tariffs set to roll out. Stocks sold off sharply Monday morning, and analysts expect volatility to remain elevated in the near term. Markets are reacting fast. The Dow is down 1,500 points, the S&P 500 off 4%, and the Nasdaq down 5%. Stocks like Nike, Apple, and Five Below took big hits. But for long-term investors, this volatility could open new opportunities. The new 10% baseline tariff is shifting global trade expectations, and investors are moving defensive as Treasury yields drop to 4.04%. In other news, Newsmax stunned Wall Street with a 700% surge on its IPO debut, closing at $83.51 after pricing at just $10. With rising viewership and growing investor interest, Newsmax is quickly becoming a media stock to watch. Meta also made headlines, signing a multi-year partnership with the UFC to become its official fan technology partner. This collaboration could enhance engagement across Meta's platforms and unlock new growth potential for both Meta and TKO investors. And with a potential U.S. ban on TikTok looming, companies like Amazon, Apploven, and Oracle have submitted bids to acquire the app. A decision from the White House is expected by Friday night. If no deal is reached, TikTok could be banned in the U.S. starting Saturday. Finally, China is hitting back with a 34% tariff on all U.S. goods, starting April 10th after the U.S. raised tariffs on Chinese imports to 54%. Markets dropped sharply, and China responded by blacklisting U.S. firms, restricting rare earth exports, and filing a WTO complaint. With $582 billion in trade at stake, the risk of global disruption is growing. That's all for this week. For more updates and investments insights, follow us at El Castillo Investments.